Hi YouTube, welcome to my video. How are you doing? I am Mohammad Zaki Mufti and I am a second year student at University Technology Malaysia. I am currently taking a bachelor in software engineering, and today I am going to present to you how to use Tinkercad and how to make a simple RGB light circuit with an Arduino Uno circuit. If you've liked the video, please like. If you dislike, but let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into the video. Okay, now first we open up the Tinkercad website for me, tinkercad.com. Just type it in your browser, and then after that you sign up or log in. If you haven't have an account, you guys can sign up, and then after you sign up, you'll be brought to this menu. Click on the circuits menu, it's here, and then create new circuit, and then you will be brought to this page or whiteboard, and then first we choose the Arduino Uno because we want to make it using an Arduino Uno circuit. Just drag and drop, and bada bim bada boom. And then this is I'm just gonna give an option to you guys if you want to use a breadboard or not. Basically, using a breadboard, it makes it more tidier and more easy to implement if you want to also use a physical circuit. But because we're using a virtual circuit and we just want to make a simple things and not because breadboard takes a lot of time in wiring also, and uh, maybe that's a bit hard for you guys, just considering I'm just gonna make a simple tutorial. So me myself, I don't want to use the breadboard, but if you guys want to, you can try using the breadboard. Okay, now we go to here. Because we want to use because we want to make an LED RGB, we use the LED RGB light, or this thing right here. Just drag and drop. Notice how there's four sockets. This is where we connect the wires to each of the sockets corresponding here in the Arduino Uno circuit. And you're asking where do we connect this? And I'll explain that a bit later, because we have one more component that we want to use, which is a resistor. This is a resistor, as its name says, function as like to limit the current so it doesn't overload the LED. So you maybe want to ask, how many resistors do we need for this component, for this circuit? We use 3. Why 3? Because if we use 4 or we use less than 3, it will not correspond in the circuit, and it will not correspond in what we want to make, because we want to make RGB, which stands for red, green, blue. So that's 3, right? Three colors, and so we use 3 resistors. So one, oops, let me make this more upwards. 2, 1, 2, 3. And maybe you're asking, where does this go? This goes for the main power here in the ground socket. So we just connect it here. You can use the right click in to make the wire more neat, more tidier, and not all around the place, because wiring is somehow a part of like making a circuit better, I guess. And oh yeah, I almost forgot that we need to configure the resistance around 100 to 1000 ohms is fine, but let's just use 220 ohms. Okay, remember ohms, not kilo ohms. Okay, we're set, and then where do we wire this 3? We wire it at the PWM of the Arduino circuit, which allows it to basically make the RGB function. So where's the PWM? It's it's the numbers that are labeled with the tilde next to each other, which is this 11, 10, and 9. So just connect it. I'm gonna use both all the colors here. We connect it here, the red one, and then the blue one we connect it in the 9, because for some reason the if we connected the blue here, the blue at the 10. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is green because if we connect it to the 10, it will read red, green, red, blue, green, not red, green, blue. So we make connect it to the 9. And then last but not least, here connect to the 10. Now we have all the things we need, and then we just need to make the code. The code is it's simple. So the code that we use is this thing right here. Set RGB LED pins in 3, but we change it to 11, 10, and 9 because it's so it corresponds with the Arduino circuit. So 11, 10, 9, and then okay, color to red, and then we have we need to use the control so that it doesn't like change instantaneously. So it so it controls the like code. So wait 1 second, and then we just duplicate this. Oh, wrong duplicate. We just duplicate this, and then set the color to green, and then duplicate again, set the color to blue. Okay, now after we're done with this, we can just run it, and bada beam, bada boom. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. So we're basically done. But if you want to add some like more variety, you can use. You can first you can just change the wait to like wait 2 seconds, 5 seconds. Up to you. And you can also use the repeat command. This is very interesting. So that because like if you want to show a color multiple times, you can just use this repeat right here, and then configure this. Like let's say I want to make the blue appear 4 times, and don't forget to put another weight, because if you don't put another weight here, the color will not, the command will not execute. Okay, so we're done. After we're done, like okay, let's add a little bit more variety. Let's put it wait 3 seconds. This is wait 4 seconds, and this is wait 2 seconds. Let's start simulation, and voila. See, so 2, 3. So it repeats after it repeats. Okay, so and then it goes back to red after it repeats the blue 4 times. Okay, so you can just play add your own variety or whatever, but because I'm just gonna explain the simple thing, I'm just gonna use like a very simple code, but it's up to you. There we have it, folks. A simple RGB LED RGB lights from an Arduino Uno circuit. You can add more variety to your circuit with using a breadboard, using maybe more LEDs, using a different command blocks or etc. But that's it from me. I hope you like the video, and subscribe if you want to see more, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get the latest updates from me. This has been me, Mawazaki Mufti, and thank you very much for watching. See you. Bye bye, YouTube.